guys, so this is the finished product, pretty much completely done. Just a couple of panels that I need to just didn't have bolts, ran out of bolts. These side panels, the only two pieces that are not installed. Everything else is installed. Tracks are old tracks, they're rusty, they're all beat up, but I wanted to use them. I want to get a little bit of mileage out of them. Everything in the cab is assembled. Seat is probably another thing that let me get my flashlight off. Seat is another thing that I will replace at some point. I'm talking about the bottom cushion because it's a little bit cracked up. Got bed liner applied everywhere on the bottom, so it will be a little bit easier to clean, as well as the seating area. Got cold air, hot heat. Everything works as it should. Let me crank it up. Let me zoom out a little bit. Well, that doesn't zoom out much. Okay. So let's see. No codes, everything working as it should. I don't know if I mentioned, got a brand new bucket, got a good deal, bought it at the auction, $500. It's a 80-inch bucket. So yeah, we are done with this project. It was a long one, but finally completed. I have another project coming up. You guys stay tuned. It's gonna be an interesting one. It's probably gonna be also a long one, but you don't want to miss that one. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me this long. And if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing. All right, thank you.